Hi guys, welcome back to another weight loss vlog. So today is Saturday and it's about 7 o'clock. We're actually heading out. We are going to my friend Jessy's house. You guys have seen her here on my channel a bunch of times, but we are going to her house to have like a little vegan dinner night. So the diet is not going to be on full effect tonight. I'm going to be eating vegan food, and a lot of vegan food is not keto friendly, but that is okay because we are starting off this week's vlog on a good note because we're going to be hanging out with friends and it's going to be a fun night and just hanging out. So don't put so much stress on yourself. Like if you're going to go to a friend's house and it's going to be a dinner date or whatever it is, and clearly not everybody is on your same diet, it's okay to eat what they're serving or just, you know, enjoy yourself once in a while, because that's life. Like you want to make this a lifestyle. Not every day you're gonna be super strict. So we are gonna go to our friend's house. We're gonna enjoy the night. We're gonna have some wine and we will pick it back up tomorrow. Guys, I know you guys probably haven't seen me in a while, but it is Tuesday. Yesterday I didn't really vlog because I had a lot of laundry to do and there was not much weight loss activity going on yesterday. I did cook, and I know that I keep getting in my comment section that you guys want to see more recipes and stuff that I make. It's a little bit hard for me because my kitchen has horrible lighting. So every time I put like me preparing food and stuff, I always just do kind of like a little montage because I have horrible lighting. If that's something that you guys don't care about and want to see me explain, I'm gonna try and do more in-depth recipes this week. I'm going to try and explain a little bit more what I do when I'm cooking and stuff like that. I also cook a lot of like quick and easy things, kind of like lazy things in a way, because sometimes I don't want to spend hours and hours cooking these crazy intricate recipes. So I do quick things like egg salads. We had literally mahi burgers 2 nights in a row, as you guys saw in the clip before. So that's something quick and easy that I could just put on the grill and either eat on its own or slap on a cheese bun, you know. Like I do very quick things because I'm a mom and I really don't have time to be doing crazy recipes. Sometimes I do take the time and I get really motivated and do intricate recipes, but for the most part I do stuff pretty quickly, like lazy recipes, you know. But I am gonna try and get better and give you guys more recipes or show you guys what I cook more, because a lot of people are confused on like what do I eat on keto and stuff like that. So I do want to do that, and that's my goal for this week. So I know that last week I told you guys that we were gonna focus on fitness this week, and it's Tuesday and I have yet to work out. So if Arya naps this afternoon, by the time we get out of her doctor's appointments and stuff like that, then I will perhaps do like an in-home workout. So I'll catch you guys later on in the day.
Call it romance, call it what you can. Your body's a blessing and I want it in my hands. I've been watching cause I really wanna dance. The way I'm moving got me falling in the trance. So let me bend you down, I'm about to attack.
Hey guys, so we are going to be cooking a keto-friendly cheeseburger pizza. So let's get started.
Call it love, call it lust, it's romance. I don't need a fight cause I know that I can last. Can I touch you now? I'm ready to explore. Please take off your clothes, you can leave them on the floor. It's gonna be a movie, so be sure to press record. You a drug and I'm an addict, keep asking for more. Keep asking for more. Keep asking for more. Yeah.
Hi guys, it is Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoyed that little recipe that I did yesterday. It was so delicious. I thought of the cheeseburger pizza because I had one in New Orleans, like a real cheeseburger pizza, and me and Caesar had been like craving it, so I figured why don't I just do it with the cheese bun crust that I've cooked here on my channel before. I don't remember the girl's Instagram or the person's Instagram like off the top of my head, but I popped up their recipe. I'll pop it up again. It's not like the healthiest, but it is keto friendly, so it shouldn't kick you off of ketosis. Today for dinner, we are cooking some shredded meat, very similar to what I cooked last week. I'm super skeptical always about showing like recipes or just like following recipes and showing you guys what I actually cook, because I eyeball everything. Like spices, I eyeball everything. I don't have like a specific measurement. I do it to taste. So I don't know if that can confuse a lot of people. I don't know. So that's why I usually don't really do it. But I am going to show you guys how I make this shredded meat. I actually already put it to cook, but I will insert the clip after this because you do have to slow cook it and it takes like about 6 hours. So I already left it cooking at my house in the slow cooker. I'm actually outside of Aria's speech therapy. So I'm gonna be here probably for an hour or 2 hours, and then I'll go back home and check on the meat and all of that stuff, and I will show you guys exactly how to make that delicious shredded meat.
This ain't the first time that we've been together. Waited all my life just to be the center of your attention. I fired up my senses, I want you. I always wanna feel this way. We too grown up for child.
Hi guys, it's Thursday. I just got done filming a video which will most likely be up by the time you guys see this, so you should go check that out. But anyways, today has been just a pretty slow day. It was an off day for me and Aria. We didn't have to go to therapy, so I had more time on my hands, hence why I filmed a video. I did go outside for a little bit. Tonight I think I'm just gonna have a shake. I've been eating a lot of meat this week, and for lunch, instead of having a shake, I ended up having the leftover meat from yesterday with the cream spinach. So I think I'm just like done with food. So tonight I am gonna be making my shake. Hopefully we have some good news tomorrow. I'm really hoping, because like you saw last week, we didn't lose much. Again, I didn't work out much. I only worked out yesterday for a little bit. So hopefully tomorrow we have some good news. Good morning, happy weigh-in day. We lost 2 pounds this week. I am so happy. I'm not gonna lie, in the middle of the week I was just a little bit discouraged. I think it's because I ate a lot of meat this week and it kind of felt like a little like blah in a way. Like I didn't feel like I lost that much weight or anything, so I was a little bit bummed because I thought to myself, man, another week without losing any weight. But consistency is key, guys. Like last week we didn't lose any weight, but I kept going and it paid off this week. So just because you're not losing weight super fast or exactly how you wanted to lose weight, don't give up, because it will happen. You just need to give your body time to like get it together, I guess. I don't know. But I'm really happy we lost 2 pounds. So we are down to 166 now. I'm just like, I want to get down to 150. That is my next goal. So yeah, I need to lose another 16 pounds to get down to 150. Now, I haven't been 150 since like 2009. We're gonna end this vlog right here. I gotta go take Aria to therapy, and I don't know what the plan for next week is. I do leave on vacation next week. I'm going to Disney World, and I don't know. I know that I'm gonna vlog in Disney. I just don't know if I should vlog this coming up week, because I most likely won't be able to get it up on the weekend unless I edit it and we do weigh-in day Thursday. I edit it and somehow have it up while I'm on vacation. I don't have a MacBook Pro, so I can't edit on my way over there. I have a huge Mac that's like a desktop, so I really can't edit on my way or over there. Like there's just no way. So I'm gonna have to edit here at home and have it uploaded already and then just go live on the weekend. So I don't know if I really want to do that, so I might just take a break from vlogging next week, and you guys will have a really good vlog the week after because it will be my Disney vlog. So let me know if that's what you guys want to do, unless you guys want me to cut it short and have a weigh-in day Thursday. Let me know in the comments down below. If not, I'm just not gonna upload next week. So thank you guys so much for watching. This was a successful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.